All right, so I have been hearing so much about the Xtra Muse that I finally broke down and got one. And so what we're going to be doing today is the unboxing. And I cannot wait to see what is inside. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. So this is my first vlogging camera ever. I've never had a vlogging camera. And so I'm trying to, find some way to open this box without totally ripping it apart. And I don't see no easy way to open it yet. So let me see what we got here. Because for some reason, I do like to keep my boxes. Not only that, but I do like to keep them intact. But sometimes you just have to rip the boxes all up. And I'm not trying to do that. I don't want to do that. So now that we have the box open, this is what's inside. And this looks like a quick start guide right here. This is the quick start guide. Alright, and so let's open up the goodie bag. Now I have been watching YouTube videos about this all night long. I ordered it from Amazon yesterday and it came in today. This is a nice bag. It's like one of those DJI bags that I have. I have a couple DJI bags here. So I'm going to get everything out of the pouch first before we open it up. And that is, oh, here goes some more. All right, so this looks like a little, what is this here? Lanyard or something to put around the wrist, a wrist. Okay, a wrist thingy. Put that there, and that's all that's in the pouch. In the pouch have a little button, a snap right there that you can just snap it together. So that's new. And then it has two mesh pockets. Oh no, if you snap it, it's two pockets, but it's one when you well, when you open it, it's one pocket, but when it's snapped, it looks like there's two separate pockets there. Okay, so that is everything that's in the bag. Alright, and so this is the USB-C to USB-C. The charging, I guess just the charging and a data cable. This here looks like the little hand extender to make it a little bit more comfortable to hold. And so we have that right there. You will plug your mic in that right there, or you can also charge it there, I believe, also. And so this is the front, this is the bottom. It has a thread right there for a tripod or something like that. All right, now here is the main store right here. Oh my God, it is so, oh man, it is, ooh, okay, my hands are so small. Oh my goodness. Oh man, so I'm going to charge it up. And let me see, we have to take the plastic off. Oh my God. And so we have English. So do I push English? Yeah, it's already on. Why is it on? Why is it on? I didn't know it would be already on. Okay. So that's the gimbal part right there I see moving. Let me see. I don't know why it's on. What's going on here? Okay, so, alright, it's recording that in. Let me see. What's it recording? Where's it at? Oh, there it is, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to play around with it and fix the settings, but this is just the unboxing, and I definitely have to charge it up, so I am going to do that. And I guess you do this and it goes off. All right. Ooh, it went out. Okay. Oh my goodness, I can't. Oh wow, I'm gonna plug it in right now on my plugs as well there. So yeah, this is everything that comes with the oh, I'm so excited I can't even get the name out. The Xtra Muse. Okay, so this is just a brief unboxing. And before I do move on, I did buy some accessories, because you know, if you've been following my channel for a while, even though I haven't recorded anything recently, you know I love to accessorize things. So I bought this, and I bought this, and I might have to send it back because it says for the Pocket 4. So I believe I brought the wrong light, but I'm going to see. I did buy the Pocket 3, but that won't come into later. But I may have to send this back because it may not fit. Because on Amazon it says it's just for the Pocket 4. And then I also bought a power bank right here. So this is the power bank, and I have to charge everything up. But I'm going to go ahead and open it since I'm in the neighborhood, and I'll probably do a demonstration, a follow-up video of this in another video. But I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it. So with the power bank, here we have the, what is this, the instruction power bank. We have the instruction, we have the charging cable right here, USB-C to C, and this is the power bank right here itself. So I just said I should just go ahead on and get the power bank right here, and the numbers would be right here in front, right there. Let me see, do I have to connect it first? So I guess it'll go on like this, like that. Okay, yeah, and you can see that it's charging right there, 39% charging. And then you have the numbers right here, the charge that's left in the power bank, and that has a screw for the tripod right there. So this is good as well, and you can use it, you know, for a handheld, and it does feel better, and it's nice and sturdy. So I am going to go ahead and I have to charge both of them, but I'm just doing this for the, you know, the unboxing, and to take it a little. Oh yeah, and then I have a USB-C right there, is where you charge it up. Alright, I got disconnected here. So to just connect it from here to here, what you would do is that you would just press these in, which it was kind of hard to press them in, and then you would just pull through. So this is the power bank. And another thing that I got is the silicone protection. Now, I got the lilac color, and so I'm just going to go ahead and unbox these and show you what's included in this kit. And let me see, we have whatever, I don't even know what this is. What is that? I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, okay, those are the wiping pads. Okay, all right. So that's included. You get that. You get a little mic to put your mic in. And you get this little thing, which you will put this in. That fits in there. I think it goes the other way around. So that fits in there like that. And let me see, this, I guess it goes on top like that. And this here will cover that. And I will have to put, I think this on. I'll have to put this on, and then this, I guess it goes in there somewhere. So I will have to do that. And then this here will, let me see, what is this? What is this? I don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. I guess this one will be for the, I guess it's for the power bank. I'm not quite sure, but it fits there. And then I will have to put this in here like so, you know, put that like that. So briefly, and I will come back with everything together. Okay, hi, it is good morning, and I'm walking down to the post office this morning, and I say this would be a perfect time. I said to myself, this would be the perfect time to test out my new Xtra Muse. And so this is my first time doing it, and this is the audio that is coming from the camera itself. So, and I'm not going to do any post on this audio once I upload it. I'm going to keep it just like it is. And so, yeah, today it's raining outside. Well, it's not raining now, but it is, you can tell that it has been raining overnight. So it's like, it's not even 9 o'clock in the morning yet, but I figure why not get up and get an early start of walking down to the post office. So yeah, so far I do like my vlogging camera, my Xtra Muse. This is the first one that I ever bought, and so far I am liking it. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see. And so there, so I like it that as I'm recording, I can also turn the camera to the other side and then turn it back on me. So that's what I like about it so far. And I'm also testing out the, you know, if there's going to be a lot of bounciness as I'm walking. And yeah. So I just wanted to get this out there, and thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.